Hi, welcome to another episode of Murphy's Minute. Today's episode of Murphy's Minute is here at this magnificent building behind me. Its name is the Fichtebunker. The Fichtebunker is of course not just a bunker, it was actually previously known as a gasometer. It's just storage for gas. But from the fall of 1940 it began its second lease of life as a Nazi bunker. This was a civilian bunker to shelter the population from all of the bombardments all around. The funny part of this story begins after 1919, after the end of the Cold War, when this building, as a big block of concrete, is left derelict. Nobody knows what to do with it until some couple of very ingenious Berliners think up the fact that this very sturdy building makes for a very nice foundation. So what they do is they take the round building and they reconstruct the original dome shape that it had on top of it, and that dome shape they cut up into pieces of a pie. Now every Mitglied, every partner in this company that they now founded could get one of these small pieces of the pie and build their own private little house right on top of the building, having the best view of the city. It is so beautiful. You can imagine that living here on top of this invisible bunker, right in the middle of the Grevenkiez, is one of the most special places to live. The people that live here will not relinquish their house. They will not move out. So getting an apartment there is virtually impossible. But keep an eye out for it, I'd say.